Harap ng update. Is update. Lebanese update natin. Turn. Pangit. Ano kong stock dyan?
This ain't about keeping some fucking badge. Hey, listen to the man. We all the same, Carl. You, me. We all trying to pull ourselves out of the hole. Somebody steps on me, I gotta step on you. Where's Hernandez with that fucking meat? He's been gone too long, Tenpenny. Getting a little edgy, fellas. Oh, how you like that, you piece of shit? That gives you any idea how edgy I am? Get up, bitch!
I'm just a regular everyday. 34 seconds na lang I minutes pala. Bago mag-beastborn. So na worker B. Ba Kuya Rem?
Feeling ko feeling ko magiging normal lang yan.
Ha? Yung
Normal form.
Kaya mo pala linisin? Kaya mo, ano kaya malinis? Ano kaya mayroon?
Ha?
Clean spray, kaya mo linisin.
Kaya tanggal niya ang tissue.
Kronos, mawala. Walang pollination. Ha?
Walang pressure naman.
Oh. Hindi ako yun.
Oh, I almost forgot, Carl.
Rem, nga pala nasabi ko na ba sa'yo dati, nagawa ko nito, rotation spray, chocolate. Nung tagagawa ko yun ba, tuturo ko sa akin, man biglang gumayon ang aking kamay, di yun, nawala. Hindi ko alam kung saan pumunta. Yay! Meron na akong gold at saka chocolate. Naging disco pa daw na.